Okay, let's talk about how to start a book blog for free. First of all, it's completely possible. The first thing you'll want to do is choose a name for your blog. I recommend something that's simple, that's short, that's like one or two syllables, possibly, and something that has to do with your niche, like books. Now, you probably want to pick something that's not focused on one type of or genre of book, but something that covers all books so that you give yourself freedom to review and compare different kinds of books and just blog about a lot of different things. Secondly, you want to choose a free platform. So, free platforms that I recommend, medium.com. It's really easy to start up. You can start for free and you can get started right away and you don't have to worry about a lot of the other stuff that we're going to talk about today. So, medium.com, also you can do with Google Sites, is also one. You can do things like Wix. There's other platforms as well. Just choose a free site to start. Choose a theme. Again, if you choose Medium, you don't have to worry about this. But with Google Sites and Wix and other platforms, you want to choose a theme, which is the way your website appears. Choose a simple and fast theme. Don't worry about all the bells and whistles for now. That's probably just going to slow down the loading of your site, which is going to hurt your rankings in Google, and it's going to make readers annoyed. So try to not to do that. Simple and fast is best. Then also launch a video channel along with starting your book blog. So that can be on YouTube, it can be TikTok, it can be both, it can be on some other streaming service. I recommend YouTube and maybe TikTok as well. You want to be reaching more people, and you can cross promote between the video channel like YouTube and your blog. It's just going to do a lot for your ranking and your cross promotion. So that's how you start. Let's go to the next part. Okay, so also you want to use a free graphic design site. So I love Canva. I use Canva all the time. I used Canva to make this this presentation actually for this channel. I use it for all my blog posts and all my YouTube thumbnails. Not saying they're the best, but they work, and it's free. So create free custom graphics for each one of your blog posts and use something like Canva. There's other tools out there that are free as well. Use a free keyword tool to come up with the topics. Don't just write about any book that you think is interesting, because that's a great recipe for disaster for your book blog. You want to find out what books people are actually asking about and write about those. You do that with a free keyword tool. You can use things like just start searching things, phrases in Google, and Google will auto suggest and auto complete search phrases. You can use tools like DeepMarket and Search Response IO. Also, use a free AI writer like H Super Tools has a great AI writer that help you flesh out some tough paragraphs. And then join a free affiliate program like Amazon Associates. I think is a no-brainer. It's free, it's easy, and you can make some monetize even your free posts. Just make sure you're following all the rules, and make sure you put an affiliate disclaimer at the top of your blog post. Next, you want to create blog post templates. So you want to be writing about listicles, comparison blog posts. You want to write book reviews probably. So create some templates so that it's basically an outline of a blog post, a type of blog post that you can use over and over again. So create those. It's going to save you tons of time. If you don't have one, you can just look at what other people are doing. You can just Google blog post templates and probably find plenty as well for free. Use basic SEO, so use your keyword in your title, in your URL, use it in your introduction. That's going to cover a lot of the SEO. Also, using images and videos will help. Um, but use basic SEO. Interlink like a pro. So make sure you're linking related blog posts together on your site. That's going to help you rank better, and it's going to also help readers stay more engaged with your blog post. Put yourself into your blog. So make sure you're writing from your own personal experience, taking your own pictures, using original research. And some people ask, do free blogs make money? The answer is most probably don't, because they're not following these tips. But you can make money with affiliate links. When you want to make more money, you want to move to a paid blogging platform. So you're going to want to get a blog host. I recommend something like Host Armada, WordPress.org, which is different than .com. So Host Armada, WordPress.org. Use a free theme like Astra. It's what I usually use. It's fast, it's simple, and it's free. Then you can. When you use a paid hosting plan and use WordPress.org, you can monetize your site with Google Ads. Eventually, once you get some more traffic, you can move to Ezoic, Mediavine, AdThrive, and you can add affiliate links in there as well. You can sell your own products. You just have more control over how to and more options for monetizing your content. How long will it take? It's probably going to take you up to a year to start making money. It can take more than a year. If you start with something like medium.com, you can probably start making a little bit of money even within the first couple months once you meet the eligibility requirements of, like, I think right now it's 100 followers and you've got to write a couple articles. But once you're able to get monetized, you can make money pretty quickly with something like Medium. You can make pretty money pretty quickly with affiliate links that you're including in your articles. But once you go to a paid hosting plan and you have your own personal website, which you have more control and more monetization options, that usually takes in and of itself at least a year. However, if you already have a pre-existing audience from your free blog that you're moving over and sending to your paid blog, then you can probably do that a little bit quicker. That's it. That's how to start a book blog for free. I try to keep it as simple as possible. Of course, there's a little bit more to it, but those are the basics. I definitely recommend that you binge watch a lot of the videos on my channel about writing and starting a blog. Other great channels that I highly recommend are Passive Income Geek channel and also the Income School channel. You can binge watch those videos, and it's kind of like a free blogging course for you. I also have a list of articles on Medium that you can read for free. I think you get like 2 or 3 articles for free per month, and you can just read the ones that seem most interesting, and then come back the next month if you want to read some more. I'll put links to all of those, to the 2 YouTube channels and to my list of articles on Medium in this video description. And if you have any comments, if you have any questions about starting a blog or a book blog in particular, let me know in the comments. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the new video.